Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to clear cache on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to clear your iPhone cache, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app, and in settings just scroll down and look for the option of apps. Just select apps from here, and here just scroll down and you'll get your browser. So on your iPhone you just have to clear cache for only for your browser. So in my case I'm gonna select Safari browser here. Just select Safari. Here just scroll down and look for advanced option. Select it and then select website data and then tap on remove all website data. Tap on remove raw. Then go back and here just select clear history and website data. Also tap on it and clear it from here. It will clear your website data and all of your cache of your browser. Or you can also go ahead to your general section, go to software update, and you can try to update your software to get better performance. Then you can go to your iPhone storage section, and here you can clear cache for any specific app. Let's say just scroll down here and you'll get all of the apps you have in your iPhone. And for example, I'm going to select my Instagram app here. Just select Instagram and then tap on this offload button here. Just tap on offload, then tap on offload app again. It will uninstall that app. It will offload that app. It will not delete your app data. Your accounts must be saved, but your app will be offloaded or uninstalled. Just tap on reinstall app option and it will completely reinstall the app and it will clear all the junk files and the cache of your apps. So in this way you can easily clear cache on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.